Factor tree of 128. So 128, it can be written as 2 times 64. 2 times 64 means 128. 64, it can be written as 2 times 32. 2 times 32 means 64. 32, it can be written as 2 times 16. 2 times 16 means 32. 16, it is 2 times 8. 8, it can be 2 times 4. And 4, it can be 2 times 2. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is these two, these two, all these 2. So now we can write 128 is equal to product of all these prime numbers. So this is 2, like as these 2, these 2, these 2, like as these 2, like as these 2, and at last these 2. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.